guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me Annie and Christmas is around the corner, right? Because it's like November and it's like 1.5 months left for Christmas almost. So today I'm going to be giving you guys some Christmas wish list idea. So if you have no idea what to ask for Christmas, or if you're going to be like giving someone gifts and don't have any idea what you're going to give them, so here are some ideas which you can use. So without any more talk, let's get into the video. Let's go. So before I start telling you guys the ideas, I'm going to be looking that way because my laptop's that way, so don't mind me. And okay, let's get started. So the first thing which you can ask for or give is like a journal, because who doesn't like journals, right? Because it's like so popular right now on Pinterest and it's very aesthetic according to me. So you can ask for a journal. The next thing which you can ask for is a cute blanket, because it's winter and we all do love a cute blanket, right? Because if you even have like hundreds of blankets, it's not gonna stop you from getting another one. So why not ask for another cute blanket, right? It's cozy. So another thing which like always is in my wish list, doesn't matter if I have it or not, is a Polaroid camera. Like Polaroid camera is such an aesthetic. Like I do always want a Polaroid even if I have it or not, but it's like such an amazing gift you can always ask for. Another thing which you can ask for is like crystals, because they're like so aesthetic and I do love crystals. You can literally decorate anything with crystals. So yeah, that will be one of the things which you can ask for. And next you can always ask for like tote bags, right? Because tote bags, even if you have like a lot of tote bags, that's not going to stop you from getting another cute one, right? So you can ask definitely for another tote bag, because I wouldn't mind getting another one, right? I have like a lot of them, but still I wouldn't mind getting another one. And you could always give someone or ask someone for books, because who doesn't like a good book, right? Because I do love myself a good book. And if this is like a book which is very inspirational, or a fictional story, or like any other kind of book, it's always going to be my favorite. So you can always ask for books, because there are literally classic ones which you can give for gifts. So yeah, you can also ask for candles, because who doesn't love candles, right? Like I love myself candles, and instead of getting those boring jar candles, scented ones, you can always give some aesthetic candles like the pictures I'm inserting here. You can give candles like that. They're like so popular on Pinterest and Instagram. So you can definitely give those and ask for those even if you want. Next, you can give phone cases, because I would love to get myself a new phone case. If it's cute, then definitely yes. You can give or ask for phone cases like this. It is one of my favorites. So yeah. Next thing you can ask for is like lamps. There are like super aesthetic lamps on Amazon and then other websites. And lamps are like so great. Like there is a sunset lamp, I think. Yes, that's the lamp that's like so famous on TikTok right now. Then other lamps are also there which is like super aesthetic. Then you can always ask for blue light glasses, because blue light glasses, you need them. They are going to be life changer, because if you're like me and are always on the computer, then you need them. Because if you are on your computer, that means your eyes are going to be like getting a lot of harm from the rays of the computer. So if you are using a blue light glasses, then it's going to be protecting your eyes from the rays. So it's going to be an amazing gift if you ask for. And if you can give them to someone also, they are going to be super happy, and especially if they spend a lot of time on their phone or computers. And then you can obviously give a person like aesthetic posters, because I would love myself aesthetic poster which has inspirational quotes on there, or some of my favorite bands like poster, that you can also give to someone. Then you can always give a mini photo printer, because who doesn't love a mini portable photo printer, right? I'm gonna insert a picture here, this one. And that's the kind of photo printer I want. You can like there are hundreds of options for mini portable ones. You can always look them up online. Then you can always give, you can give her like coffee mugs. They're like so cute, and I'm going to be inserting some pictures here. I hope you can see, which I love and I want. So you can take inspirations from them and order something similar, or add something similar to your wish list. Then you can obviously give like if you're the person you're giving the gift to, or if you're a gamer, or even if you are a person who loves cute stuff, then you can obviously ask for a cute aesthetic keyboard. I have inserted a few pictures. I hope you can see. So you can get keyboards and ask for keyboards. So when we are on the topic of like computers and stuff, you can obviously ask for a wooden laptop stand, because I wouldn't mind getting myself a laptop stand. So you should definitely ask for that, because I've inserted a picture. Hope if you don't know what a laptop stand is, like a wooden one, then you can obviously check that out. It's like this. So it's very handy, because when you're working on your bed, like you don't have to keep your laptop on your lap, and it's going to be really handy. You can ask for that and obviously give it to someone who loves to be on the laptop. And then you can obviously give someone face mask, because who doesn't like a face mask, right? Like a face sheet mask. Or you can even give them literal COVID face masks. They are also very useful. Like then you can also give someone cute keychains, and I personally like the collectible ones, like those ones which come in like mystery boxes. I love them, and you can give them to someone who loves to collect. There's a collector item for some of them, so that's a very good gift, I think. Like confused what to get, then you can obviously gift a person, or even ask for a gift card, because cards are like the best things. Then the person you are giving it to, or if you are receiving it, then you can buy whatever you like from that particular store of which the gift card belongs to. So that's a very amazing gift, and I personally like to get a gift card for myself. On, if you like neon lights, then you can obviously ask for neon lights, like I have inserted a picture here like this one. And you can there are like a lot of varieties of neon lights, so you can just ask for any one of them. And then a tripod, like who doesn't needs a good tripod? Like if you tell me that I don't need a tripod, I'm not going to believe you, but you always need a tripod, because if a person like me who always films videos and always is like up to something, then you always obviously need a tripod. So you can give someone or ask for a tripod yourself. I think most of you have a tripod by now, but if you don't, just go ahead and ask for it. Then you can obviously ask for cute rugs, because rugs are like so cute and aesthetic. I do love them personally. This is my favorite rug, and it's on my wish list for quite a while. I haven't got it yet, but I hope so I get it this year. But whatever, you can obviously ask for this one. And then you can obviously give someone journal kits, like they have all the items which you need for journaling. Like I've inserted a picture here. So this is like a journal kit, and this has everything you need for journaling, from A to Z, everything it has. So yeah. Another thing which you can give someone, or add to your wish list, is like shoulder bags. So shoulder bags are like the perfect thing which you can give to someone if they are fond of bags. And like these are some shoulder bags which I really liked, and these are from Pinterest. So I hope you guys got some inspiration from these shoulder bags, and I hope you want to add a few from these to your wish list or give someone. If you're fond of makeup like I am, then you can obviously ask for makeup, like any makeup, foundation, lipstick, blush, whatever you like, nail paint, whatever. And talking about makeup, you can also ask for a cute makeup bag, because those things are hella cute. So you can also ask for that. And you can also ask for like slippers. I found a pretty cute pair of slippers like these are cloud slippers, I call them. I don't know what they are called, but these kind of slippers, they're like slow fluffy. I do want to get myself those, and I'm gonna add them to my wish list right now only. So that's a very cute ones, right? And also ask for graphical baseball caps, because they are aesthetic right now, and baseball caps are good for either winter or summer, because I do love them. So yeah. You can also give like clocks and ask for clocks, because clocks are like so aesthetic right now, and I personally love a cute clock. So here's the clock which I would love to get. You can also get this one because it's so cute, right? And then you can also like ask for or give someone jewelry, because jewelry is like such a classic gift which you can give someone, and I don't think anyone doesn't like jewelry, so jewelries are obvious. And then to like organize the jewelry, you can obviously give them a jewelry holder or a organizer. That is a very good gift, I think. And last but not the least are chocolates. So chocolates are like such an amazing gift, because I personally am a person who is a very fond of chocolates. So I would love to get myself like huge packs of chocolates. I obviously get them for like every Christmas. I get them like this big chocolate packs. So you can obviously go ahead and ask for those. Why? Wait, because you can always get chocolates, right? Chocolates are my favorite. and so you can obviously ask for that. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And I really do hope that you got some pretty good inspirations and ideas to what to add to your wish list or what to give someone. And until then, bye. That's all for today's video. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.